So what's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to increase gaming performance on your laptop or PC and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So it is quite often important sometimes we need to increase the performance so you can play all these kind of games. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one, just go over here, search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now from here we have to set this to adjust for best performance. Now we need to select only a few things. One of them is all about smooth edges. Then we need to select show thumbnail instead of icons, and also we need to select for save taskbar thumbnail previews, etc. These three should be selected and go for apply and go for OK, and you have to check. Afterwards you have to just go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on the control panel. And this time from here what we need to do is just click over here, we'll be finding the power plan, just click on this one, and over here there is an option called create power plan. Just select this one, go for next, and also create. Now from here you have to set into my custom plan 2. If by default this would be on this one, or I have to change this one to this one, that is my custom plan 2, and you have to check. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the disk cleanup, and you have to click on this one, and that's going to take you to this. And also not from this one, there is one more thing that I wanted to make you guys is all about disk cleanup, this one, and go for C. And what happens is you have to select everything over here. All these boxes should be marked, and you have to click on cleanup system files and just go for OK. And once afterwards you have to check sometimes the cache files and all those things which created, and everything will be completely deleted, which is increasing the performance in a lot way. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click on the task manager, and we need to expand this app. So now the reason is because unwanted things is running in the background is one of the main reasons why we end up in having the issue with these kind of performance issue. So make sure that you need to close all the unwanted things. For example, Discord, DivaTuner, MSC Afterburner, everything should be removed from here. And also we need to navigate to the startup apps. And now from here you have to only enable only the wanted things. Rest every apps should be disabled, because when you launch your PC, these things run in the background, which is affecting you. So it's quite important that we need to disable all the unwanted things. As you can see, I have already disabled everything, and you have to only enable the needed ones. Next one is all about, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, click on your Discord account, just open your Discord, because we wanted to make few changes in the Discord, because it's worth a lot. Sometimes for some users, when they make changes in the Discord, it worked for them. So we just need to make all these kind of things. In the meantime, we also go to the Steam. So same changes you have to make on the Steam as well. So just go over here at the top, click in the settings. Now from here you have to navigate to in-game, and as you can see, if enable the Steam overlay while in game, if it is actually turned on, we just need to turn this off. And also you have to check with the Steam and close this, and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, then we just need to go over here, search for the settings. Over here you have to search here for the settings. Just go over here, click on the settings. Now once you get into the settings, we need to make a few changes in the settings, like what I have to say. The first and famous step is all about, just go over here in the system. Now once you go over here in the system, you have to scroll down and you have to find or else on the display, and from here in the display we have to make few changes. If you go over here on the first one is all about, you can just make just over here on the advanced. First one, the choose a refresh rate into the maximum, that is if it is 60 Hz, it is not the maximum set into this one. And once you set it to the maximum, you just need to go back, and now you have to click on the graphics. And over here, as you can see, if you click on advanced graphics, if hardware accelerated GPU is turned off, turn this off and try playing the game. If sometimes after turning on the accelerated GPU schedule, you might find a little bit of stuttering. If that is the case, just turn this off. Now you just need to go back to the gaming, and over here go to the game bar, and if it is turned on, turn this off, and you have to check. And also parallelly you have to go over here and check with any other things as it is, and also go back over here. As you can see, there are a few more things that you need to make changes. If you go to the game mode, if it is turned on, that's an important one, so you have to turn on the game mode. Now there is one thing that you need to make. So this is my Discord, so just go over here, click on this one, and scroll down over here, and you can see there is an option called game overlay. Make sure if this is completely turn this off. So it's an important one. If it is turned on, you have to completely turn this off, and once you turn this off, you have to close these and you have to check. These are some of the reasons why you're having the issue. with the gaming performance. So if you do all these things, definitely there will be a boost on your performance on, the gaming performance on your laptop or PC. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.